going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And Bitcoin is moving slightly up. We know that we have open interest. And then Friday, guys, we have options again. And then we're going to be the only game in town. So I definitely see a decent pump. But remember, the Fed is going to be raising rates. You can look at the stock market and clearly see it. It's pumping and dumping every single day, and they have something new to say on why it's pumping and dumping. But guys, we have Michael Saylor buys another $190 million of Bitcoin, but they should put in the fine print, he put $400 million as collateral. Now we have the Canadian Bitcoin ETFs are seeing a surge. We know in the United States, Gary Gensler is kicking that can down the road. We know Gary Gensler and Janet Yellen are the chess pieces to the Fed. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates that are moving up. Plus, guys, we have volume, tether, USDC. And we have the Fed. Do not forget to pay attention to the Fed repo. I think it's about $1.6 trillion. And also, Janet Yellen is going to be delivering a speech tomorrow talking about crypto and the U.S. economy. So, you know, I'm definitely going to bring you that. And then also, we have Grayscale, guys. Do not forget about the Grayscale Whale. They did sell a little yesterday. We're going to see them picking up. We know we have open interest. But like I stated, guys, they're going to be raising rates. We know that we're going to pick up, then we're going to start pulling back. And that's the reason why the stock market, the bond market, everything is telling us we're going to be headed down. Remember, this is a controlled crash. But then also, they already have the solution, which is the robots, algorithms, and drones, and this new digital economy. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have over 80% of the central banks working on a CBDC. But we know they're already ready in the back. That's the reason why Janet Yellen and Gary Gensler are so important. Because the New World Order is going to use the two chess pieces in order to move us over to this new digital economy. Now we have Lightning Labs raises $70 million to build out Taro, a taproot power protocol for lower fee stablecoin and asset transfers on Bitcoin Lightning. And we know stablecoins are the foundation, and we know the protocols like Bitcoin Lightning, XRP, and XLM to free up liquidity. Now we have FTXUS to invest in IEX stock exchange to launch digital security. And guys, we know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have the UK's roadmap to create an NFT. And also we have the UK government moves forward with regulatory framework on stablecoins for payment. And guys, again, stablecoins are nothing but digital fiat. We know it's the same system. We are just moving to a cashless society, so everything can be tracked. And lastly, guys, we have Senate and the House express alarm over El Salvador adoption of Bitcoin. And we know the New World Order is using El Salvador as a testing ground. But why would the United States be worried about El Salvador? I think they have maybe 7 million people there. We know the IMF has come out and warned El Salvador about Bitcoin. But guys, we know this is a setup for another bigger agenda. We know there's going to be something big that's going to come down the pipe that's going to distract the masses, so therefore they can run in the robots, algorithms, and drones while the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get that home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.